But he's not in stealth mode. He's just in like search of food mode. Oh, there he is. Stealth mode. Ninja seagull. Wait, is it weird that I'm giving it its own theme song?
No.
Ninja seagull, always in stealth mode. No one can see them unless you're as cool as me. This is gonna be a weird video to upload. Wait, did that seagull just eat the other seagull? Where did Ninja Seagull? That's why it's Ninja Seagull, because he's so hard to find. Oh, did you see that? He's just. What is Ninja Seagull thinking about? Feel like the beach is getting taken over by seagulls. Ninja Seagull. Ninja Seagull, Ninja Seagull. Oh! Ninja Seagull is no longer. Oh! Oh, now he's even more puffed up. Ninja Seagull got caught by Tiff on cam. Ninja Seagull all puffed up. Looks like a puffin' penguin. Ninja Seagull got his own theme song. Ninja Seagull, showing me his butt. Now he's eating. Lame.